Drop them lights. So basically today, as can see, obviously the other video, this is part 2 of, I know my hands are quite messy, this is part 2 of the other video. I don't know what I've named it, but okay. So we made cake pops. We, like I was doing, I put milk in it, and then we made them into circles, and yep, ta-da, woo. And then we microwaved the ganache stuff, so that's ready. And then now what we did, while Ray was doing crushing the cupcakes, we just put milk in here, and we're gonna make this into balls now, and we shove it in here. So we've never made these type of into balls, but hopefully it works. Okay, so we are done with making the cake box with the sponge cake, and now we did the ganache. And obviously I'm pretty sure a few seconds ago this looked quite dark, like real dark. Obviously we shoved in more double cream, because when we tasted it tasted really dark chocolatey, and normally when we taste our ganache it tastes nice and stuff, but this quite didn't. So then we shoved in some milk. This was Larry's suggestion to do it, and I was like, okay. Then we microwaved, and now it's gonna be too liquidy, but we're gonna shove them in here anyway. But it still tastes like dark chocolate, but it's fine, I'm guessing. So now what we're gonna do, what? I knew. I think it's on the cake stuff anyway. Okay, so we're gonna put in. So you can't speak now. Oh really? You're always speaking in my videos. Ooh, and then we're gonna put sticks in here. But you can't decide. Put sprinkles, and we have other sprinkles. You just think with hands. Like whatever's going. Oh my god, wait. Okay, so we have some white milk chocolate left from this. What did we make with milk chocolate?
Patani.
I think we made ganache yesterday, innit?
Did you make chocolate ganache yesterday?
Yeah, but like, what did you make it for?
It doesn't matter. We made crispy buns.
Oh yeah, we made rice crispy buns with this, which we have over here. So yeah, there's a few left, and this like really tasty. So I'm gonna eat all myself, or I'll see maybe some put little chunks in there. So and you have to wait now. So by the way, I have these sprinkles because I like this kind of sprinkles. I hate those ones just because I think they're really hard for me, and like whatever. These ones are way better. This is like the yogurt ones, by the way. We have these dark ones, and then we have these white ones. These fat ones. So anyway, so I'll just open this for you and come back to you guys. Okay, so this is it.
Okay, I'll put those for you.
So
okay, there's two.
And this is a cupcake one, which I really wouldn't want to have, but okay. When people bite into it, it'll be surprised. Anyway, I actually grated the milk chocolate on it because I was like, I'm not going to shove big lobs of stuff on it. We still have some left, so we're just gonna use this just in case whenever. I had this great brownie recipe by the channel Tasty. Obviously, we made cookies from that channel as well. So obviously, I was kind of excited, but she's already made her own stuff. So like, okay, so hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below with your big thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you want me to do. See you later, bye. Also, stay safe, stay home. Bye.